Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss the Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping! Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 25 to October 1, 2023. I hope you are all doing well, strong, and healthy. Ayan. So, general reading lang to. Maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, so let's see, Gemini. What is your energy for this week? What is your energy? 7 of Pentacles. You're being patient. Parang may hinihintay ka. Pwedeng related sa trabaho to, or sa career mo, or anything na nag-invest ka ng energy mo. Can be a relationship as well. It's about expecting something, no? So, this is also about coming into fruition. So, whatever you gave your energy or your effort, in the long run, makikita mo rin yung resulta niyan. So, be more patient. Okay, so let's see your challenge. Ano naman ang challenge ng mga Gemini? Ano yung challenge ng mga Gemini? The challenge is Page of Swords. Oo, ang challenge ninyo is minsan magmamadali kayo. Lalo na kung ito ay related sa investment, sa negosyo, sa pera ninyo. Maaring may mga times na gusto niyo na agad makita yung resulta ng trinabaho ninyo. So, ito yung time na you need to be more patient, and at the same time, habang naghihintay ka, educate yourself more, na mag-research ka pa, magdagdag ka ng mga bagong kaalaman, or mas paunlarin mo yung iyong sarili by learning new things. So let's see your opportunity. Ano yung opportunity ng mga Gemini? Wow, the World. This is achievement. Anytime soon, whatever you have started, negosyo man yan, especially kung negosyo to, no? May kita nyo na yung resulta niyan, and you are going to achieve something big. Okay? So, this can also mean, can be trabaho sa ibang bansa, pwede rin tong trading sa ibang bansa, na meron kang negosyo, tapos you are also trading sa ibang bansa. May sense of accomplishment. Meron kang opportunity to accomplish something. Yung iba, opportunity sa sa work sa abroad. So, this is your blessing. 7 of Cups. O yung mga nalilito dyan. Yung mga nalilito, confused sa situation ninyo. Finally, alam nyo na kung ano yung gusto nyo. You already know what you want. This can be sa relationship, this can be sa career, sa business, na maaari kasing maraming options, maraming pagpipilian. Minsan kasi pag ganun, mas nakakalito, diba? Pag maraming choices. But, ang blessing sa inyo is, you will be able to choose what's best for you. Can be career, relationship, okay? So, let's see your recent past. Ano yung energy ng recent past ng mga Gemini? Ooh, the Devil. This can mean anything na toxic sa buhay mo. You've been in a situation na toxic, may codependency, may obsession, Okay. Let's see what else. How about your present energy? Ooh, Eight of Swords. Some of you, Gemini, merong unhealthy habit. Meron kayong unhealthy habit na hindi nyo pa ma-let go. So, kahit na alam nyo na hindi yun makakabuti para sa inyo, it's time for you to let that go. Kasi maaring yan yung blockage, no? Yan yung humahadlang sa mga bagay na pwede nyo pang maabot, ma-achieve. Example, nasa toxic relationship ka. So, ayaw mo i-let go kasi akala mo hindi ka na makakahanap ng much better dun sa person na yon. Eh, syempre, hanggat hindi mo nile-let go yung toxic person na yan, hindi ka makakahanap ng bago, diba? Or hindi sa'yo ipapadala kasi hindi ka pa tapos dyan sa relationship na yan. This can also apply sa trabaho, no? So, your near future energy is Seven of Wands. So, I think, you will work things out in the future. Mas papangalagaan mo yung sarili mo. You will be able to protect yourself from this toxic situation. So, maaring in the near future, gagawa ka ng paraan na makaalis sa ganyang situation, toxic situation, unhealthy na situation, or unhealthy habit, dahil may realization ka na hindi yun makakabuti sa'yo. Okay? So, you're letting go of the things that are no longer serving your highest good. And that is to protect yourself na rin. Okay? Kaya gagawin mo yun. So, let's see what else. Initiations. Be open through this transitional time. So, transition, pagbabago, no? So, I feel like you're just going with the flow. Kung saan ka dalhin. As long as you are taking action, as long as you are taking that initiative. Yes. Parang there's a direction that you're going to take, and then hindi ka na magre-resist. Okay? So, let's see naman what else pa. Divine service. How can you serve yourself better? Yes. So, this is taking care of yourself, diba? If masyado mong na-deprive yung sarili mo doon sa mga magagandang bagay, nagsasakripisyo ka para lang dito sa toxic situation na to. So, it's time for you to finally, sarili mo naman ang iisipin mo. So, let's see ano naman ang self-care message for you. Feelings. Healing begins with feeling. Be gentle with yourself and tender with your heart. Yes, you're going to heal from this toxic situation at magiging gentle ka sa sarili mo kasi alam mo na medyo heavy yung pinagdaanan mo. So, you are going to take it one step at a time. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Gemini. See you again.